Hi, this is Patrick from Dynamic Home Inspections. I am your Central Maryland home inspector. Now, I'm out here today at a pre-drywall inspection, and they're getting ready to put up the drywall in about 2 days. Ideally, you want to address the issues if you can get a pre-drywall inspection. If you're in the phase of construction, it's definitely worth getting a pre-drywall inspection done. There were numerous issues that need to be attended to before they put up the drywall, because they will cause problems, some later down the road. One of the things I wanted to mention, or actually I'll show you, is this over here. This is in a garage. This poured concrete wall right here, and then you have your sill plate, and of course that is the base for your wall structure. Now this is an exterior wall, and I wanted to show you two things. One, this is a moisture meter, and you can see it's still under 18%, so that's considered acceptable up here. But as I move down toward the ground, it gets higher and higher. Directly below that is the actual grade, the ground itself, on the other side of that. This right here is called capillary action. The water will actually wick up the concrete, and then that would cause issues with the sill plate. They usually they're supposed to put a capillary break in between the sill plate and the concrete, and as you can see, there is nothing separating the two to keep the moisture from coming from the concrete and going onto the sill plate itself. It's usually made of polystyrene or some kind of impermeable plastic or vinyl material that won't allow water to transfer from here to the sill plate. If this happens too often, just say over the years, this sill plate here, which this entire wall structure is actually built on, even though it's pressure treated, this will start to deteriorate, and then you'll have some settlement and some other problems. So I just wanted to point that out. This should have been done before they actually put down the sill plate itself. So after the fact, it makes it a little more difficult for the builders, but it's something that definitely should get taken care of. So this is why you should have a pre-drywall inspection if you're in the building phase of having a house built. There are numerous things that I've found on this job that could cause potential problems down the line. That's it. You guys have a great day.